Hey there everybody, High Mileage Rider here, and today's video is going to be an unboxing of my new Nelson-Rigg 25-liter Hurricane dry duffel bag system that I purchased to use with my 2019 Yamaha Super Tenere. If this is something that interests you, come on back. Okay, thanks for coming back. Let's get at the unboxing. Going to use my trusty Gerber knife to open this up. No better knife. Wow, they really put a lot of tape on here. Make it nice and secure. Okay, so a couple of pieces of cardboard to protect the top, and I'll turn this around so you can see it. The Nelson-Rigg bags come, like that. So let's open this up. There's one bag, and the second bag is underneath it. We'll remove this box so you can see a little bit better. Okay, so before I take these bags out of the protective plastic, I'll just give you a few specs about the bags, and then we can get on with the unboxing. Obviously, I ordered the black and gray combination. It also has reflective tabs for better nighttime visibility. This has a lifetime warranty on the product. Now, the welding system they use is an electronically heat welded seam, and the PVC is called, I wrote this down, forgive me for looking down, trypolylene PVC. So that is what provides the wet protection along with the electronically welded seams. They have a proprietary strap system, which you'll see when I go to put this on the bike. It is 25 liters, and the length is 17 inches, the width is 9 inches, and the height is 10 inches. And as I said, they hold 25 liters. So let's get to taking these out of the bags. Okay, so to take these out of the bags, just flip it over. They just have a couple of pieces of Scotch tape holding the bag shut. Open that up there. And then you just slide it out. All right, so this is what the bag looks like. They have their information zip tied onto the side of the bag so you can see. Here is the valve, the purge valve for when you compress the bag to get the air out. The proprietary strap system, as I was saying. You also get an over-the-shoulder strap that comes with it. Again, now you can see the reflective striping, and obviously it is black and gray. So on the back of the bag is the plastic that forms to the tube for the inside of the bag so it will hold its shape. There are also two other pieces for the ends of the bag to help it hold its shape. When you open up the bag, inside you get instructions on how to set up the bag. You get a pamphlet on some of the other items that Nelson-Rigg makes. Inside the bag you have 4 of their heavy-duty buckles. These attach to your side case or your top case on your motorcycle bags, and they clip into the straps that are on here. So what you do with this is you open it up, And then you place the plastic inside to hold the shape. Sometimes better done with two people. All right, let's do it this way. There we go. Do it on its side. It's easier, folks. And there's a little lip on the inside of the bag to hold the plastic in place. Then the two side pieces go in on either end. And they also have a slot to slide into, and now the bag holds its shape. When you pack it with all of your gear, all you do is roll it like any other wet-dry bag. Use the buckle system on the side to close, and then squeeze the bag, open the air purge, and once all the air is out, you close the air purge. And the bag will sit like this on top of your side case, or like this on the top of your top case. They're very nice looking bags. They look like the quality is very good. Unfortunately, I won't get a chance to use them much this year, as we're at the end of the riding season and winter is quickly upon us. But in the spring, I'll be using them, and I will let you know how they hold up. But for now, let's go out to my Super Tenere, and we'll put them on the bike so you can see what they look like on my motorcycle. Okay, so now we're going to put the bag onto the side case of my Super Tenere. So they give you complete instructions on how to work the strap system. I cheated and I read ahead so I wouldn't have to stare at the directions for you. So first thing you're going to do is grab one of the straps, and the straps have a hole on one end, and what you're going to do is feed it through the side buckle on your side case and make a little slip knot. So we'll slide this through, that through, pull the long end of the strap out, and now that is securely on your side case. Next thing you're going to do is bring the bag down. Now the bag has the proprietary strapping system with a loop here, so that buckle will go through the loop. The end of the buckle has a hook on it. The hook will go through the strap here, and then you will just pull it down to cinch it. For time savings, I'm only going to put one strap on. So you slide this through the buckle. And then the end that has the little loop goes through the strap. Then you press the yellow release to allow you to tighten this down. Now you just pull it down until it's tight. And you do the same thing with the other three spots. Now it is secure. When you want to go into the top, all you do is unclip your side clips, unroll the bag, and they do recommend that you do at least 3 half rolls in order to maintain the watertight protection of the items inside. Now you can go into the bag, get whatever you need out, roll it again, open your purge valve, press it down to compress. Don't forget to close the purge valve. Clip the front and back to maintain it being closed, and you're good to go. So I've put the other bag onto, let me get the camera here. I've put the other bag on the other side, just resting it there, so you can see what it looks like with both bags on. Looks pretty good. I tried getting on and off the bike, and there was no problems. It doesn't interfere with my leg or anything like that. The reason I chose to go to a system like this is because I got tired of having a wet-dry bag placed horizontally across my saddle here, because what it would do is the wet-dry bag would go partially over the lid of the saddlebag and on the other side, which means I would have to undo the wet-dry bag every time I wanted to get into one of my side cases. Now I've put a second strap on to hold it. It's not going to be completely firm because I did not put the two on the other side, but you can see you open up your side case and then you lift it up and the bag stays on the lid. Now of course I don't have the other two sides on, but you have access to your bag, and then you simply close your bag, relock it, and you're good to go. The other thing is I don't like the wet-dry bag pressing against my back when I'm riding. And of course the third thing that makes this a much better way to go is you can obviously carry a passenger now because you don't have something on the back seat. So we'll do a full review in the next summer when we get to take it out and use it on a trip, and we will follow up with you. Let's turn this camera around here. Okay, so as always, if you enjoyed the review of these Nelson-Rigg Hurricane dry bags, please consider giving a like to the video, hitting that notification bell to subscribe, or hit the subscribe and the notification bell, and then we'll let you know of any new videos that come out. And until the summer, keep that right hand cranked and the rubber side down.